This is the magic bullet that I'm going to be talking about in my video today. And I wanted you guys to see it so you know what these look like. You can buy them really cheap and they come with all these different attachments. One with a handle and a lid. And these are great for making smoothies, for running and cross training. They're called the Magic Bullet and you can buy them at Walmart. And I actually have 2 of them. But I don't like to use these, so I take it off, I shake it. It's got all my, you can see my super green powder, it's got my peppermint leaves in it. So I shake it in between to make sure it gets all the good greens from the top. And I put it back in. And you can see it stirs it all up, all your frozen fruit, super green, your peppermint, your flaxseed, and it makes a great drink. And then you take one of these cups and you pour it in there. And what I like is I don't really like this top. I like to have a hook on the top so that you can hold on to it when you run. Like this one, when you're doing squats and lunges, you can hold it by the hook. You can just hook it on your finger and it's easier to carry. So I'll probably use this. But guys, always take a drink with you. It's so good to have a healthy, super drink when you're jogging in the morning. This is your spa girl tip on looking and feeling younger. Don't forget to bring that smoothie with you on your walk. It will energize you and make you able to do more miles. Bye.